Good morning, Professor. Today I would like to present my research using domain based on machine learning for malware detection. To introduce about this research, I would like to share my research question. My research question is how machine learning can be used to detect malicious domain in present. To answer this question, I would like to introduce the current situation in 2019. More and more malicious domain names are born with sophisticated tricks to hide domain names. The malicious from the network security home, many projects are built to create malicious code detection systems that detect and protect user and facility from hacker. It is This is a reason for my article to create a method based on machine learning technique to help protecting domain is more flexible and highly effective. Further on, I would like to introduce the content of this research. Part 1 is an introduction to the situation of the network security as well as introduction of the method used in this research. Part 2 will be um, research literature review, what is machine learning, what is DNS principle and how it works, what is malicious domain detection technology. We compare with the other article what did before about botnet domain flush, fast flush detect malicious domain, and from here I will see what better in the other article and what needs to fix in the other article. Part 3, I will go to research method for detecting malicious domain name based on machine learning. In here, I'm using the outlier method. So let's say something about this. Machine learning approach are proven to be effective to detect DGAO domains in contrast to static rules. The input of this machine learning approach may, for example, consist of the entropy, frequencies, and occurrences, top-level domain, number of dictionaries, length of domain, and n-gram. However, many of these approaches need label data. You need to know a lot of good domains and a lot of DGA domains. Good domains can be taken, for example, from the Alexa. Million sets of NDGA domains can be generated from known malicious algorithms. With these DGA domains are valid, they are only valid for the remainder of the usage of that specific algorithm. If there is new type of DGA, changes are your model is not correct anytime and does not detect newly generated domains. Language reasons pose a checklist on the good domains. Each language has different structure and combination. By using this method, also filter of n-gram. In here, we use 2 gram and 3 gram, like 3 gram. And using this method, I can read catalog a malicious domain name and along with continue to work in further research using multiple domains for testing and more. After this research, I have some questions for myself. First one is what lesson learned from research? This research will help me to understand about the malicious domain structure and how to use some method to protect the domain from the hacker in some case preventing it by using fast flood model and domain flows something to detect botnet. And the second question will be the benefit of the research. The benefit of this study give me knowledge not only the network security industry in general but also understand of machine learning method to find the malicious domain. along that I will practical in English because um, also in time arrangement to complete the essay on time. The third question will be what difference between this research and the other? This difference of this research is just like I'm using outlier method based on machine learning to detect malicious domain name. This one is more high accuracy and relatively simple accessibility. Number four question will be further future so research direction. Future development direction will be continue to research and expand testing on a large scale and continue to search some new function to apply to protect from the attacker. Thank you for listening.